Hello, my amazing friends. Welcome back to Super English Podcast 2 channel. Today, we're going to talk about something truly life-changing, learning to speak English. We'll explore why learning English is so important and how it can make a real difference in your life. English is a global language. It is spoken in many countries and used in business, travel, and education. When you speak English fluently, many doors can open for you. You can get better jobs, travel with confidence, and even make friends from all over the world. No matter what your goals are, learning English can help you achieve them. It's not just about studying, it's about building a skill that lasts a lifetime. So let's dive in and explore why English is important and how it can change your life. Let's talk about why English is so important. It's not just a language, it's a tool that can change your life in many ways. Here are some key reasons why learning English is worth your time and effort. English is a global language, spoken in many countries. It's the official language in over 50 countries, including the United States, the United Kingdom, Canada, and Australia. It's also used as a common language in international business, travel, and politics. When you speak English, you can connect with people from all over the world. For example, if you travel to a country where the local language is different, English often helps you communicate. Imagine being in a hotel in Japan or at an airport in France. You can still find people who speak English. English is also the language of the internet. Most websites, social media platforms, and apps are in English or have English as an option. By understanding English, you can explore the digital world more easily and connect with millions of people online. Many jobs today require English. Big international companies such as Google, Amazon, and Microsoft often use English as their main language. If you want to work for these companies or grow in your career, learning English is essential. Even in local businesses, knowing English can set you apart from others. For example, if you're working in customer service or sales, speaking English allows you to communicate with international clients. This makes you more valuable to your company. English also opens the door to studying abroad. If you dream of attending top universities like Harvard, Oxford, or MIT, English is the key. Most programs require you to know English, and being fluent will help you adjust to life in a new country. Imagine this. You get a chance to attend an international conference or work on a global project. If you speak English, you can easily network with professionals from different countries, share ideas, and learn new things. These opportunities can help you grow professionally and personally. English is the language of knowledge. Most books, articles, and research papers are written in English. If you understand English, you can learn about any subject you're interested in. Think about the internet. Websites like Wikipedia, online courses on platforms like Coursera, and even YouTube tutorials are often in English. By knowing English, you can access these resources and expand your knowledge. For example, If you're curious about space, you can read articles from NASA. If you're interested in business, you can follow blogs and books written by experts. Learning English helps you stay updated on the latest news and trends in any field. English also gives you access to entertainment. You can watch Hollywood movies, listen to English music, and read novels by famous authors like J.K. Rowling or George Orwell. This not only improves your language skills, but also helps you understand different cultures. When you speak English, you can make friends from different parts of the world. Social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn allow you to connect with people, and English is often the common language used. For example, if you join an online group about cooking, photography, or gaming, you'll find people from different countries. English helps you share your ideas and learn from others. Meeting new people and learning about their cultures can be exciting. It also helps you build confidence in speaking English. The more you use the language, the better you'll become. Learning English can boost your confidence and open your mind to new experiences. It's not just about memorizing words or grammar. It's about gaining a skill that makes you feel proud and capable. When you watch a movie in English without subtitles or write an email to someone in another country, you'll feel a sense of achievement. These small victories build your self-esteem and motivate you to keep learning. English also helps you think differently. When you learn a new language, you start to see the world in a new way. You understand other cultures better, and this makes you more open-minded. Learning to speak English may feel challenging at first, but with simple and consistent steps, you can improve quickly. Let's explore how you can begin your English speaking journey. When starting to learn English, begin with the simplest words and phrases. Focus on everyday language that you can use in real-life situations. For example, practice greetings like hello, good morning, how are you, and thank you. These phrases are easy to remember and very common in daily conversations. Use them every day, whether at home, at work, or when talking to friends. By repeating these basic phrases, you'll become more comfortable speaking English naturally. You can also start learning the names of common objects around you. For instance, chair, table, book, phone. Label items in your home with their English names to help you remember them easily. The secret to learning any language is practice. Speaking English every day will help you become more confident and fluent. Start by talking to yourself. Describe what you're doing or thinking in simple English. For example, I am cooking dinner. Or, this book is interesting. Even if no one is listening, practicing out loud helps train your brain to think in English. Another great way to practice is by speaking with a friend or family member who knows English. If you don't have anyone to talk to, try recording your voice. Say simple sentences, listen to your recordings, and notice where you can improve. Remember, making mistakes is part of the process. Don't be afraid of saying something wrong. The more you practice, the better you'll get. When you're just starting, keep your sentences short and easy. Don't try to use complicated grammar or big words right away. Begin with sentences like, I am happy. I like apples. This is my bag. These simple sentences are the foundation of communication. Once you feel confident, you can start forming longer sentences, such as, I am happy because it's sunny today. I like apples, but I don't like bananas. This is my bag, and that is my book. As you progress, you'll naturally expand your vocabulary and sentence structure. Listening is a crucial part of learning English. Watch videos, listen to podcasts, or watch TV shows in English. Start with content made for beginners, where the language is slow and clear. As you listen, try to repeat what you hear. For example, if you hear someone say, "How are you today?" Pause the video and say it out loud. Mimic their tone and pronunciation. This will help you improve your speaking skills and sound more natural. Listen to English podcasts or audiobooks on topics you enjoy. This will help you stay engaged while improving your listening skills. Pay attention to the lyrics of English songs. Sing along and practice the words to improve your pronunciation and rhythm. Watch movies or TV shows in English with subtitles. Try repeating lines from the characters to practice pronunciation and improve your speaking skills. Consistent listening helps you become familiar with how native speakers use the language in real-life situations. Practicing with others is one of the quickest ways to improve your English fluency. Look for a friend who is also learning English, or someone who speaks it fluently. Regular conversations will help both of you improve. Set goals together. Decide on topics to discuss, such as daily routines, hobbies, or current events. This makes practice sessions more focused and fun. Join online platforms where people practice speaking English together. This allows you to connect with learners and speakers worldwide. Talking with others helps you gain confidence and become comfortable using English in different scenarios. Learning to speak English takes time and effort. Don't feel discouraged if you don't see results immediately. Set small goals, such as learning 5 new words a week or practicing speaking for 10 minutes a day. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small. Each step you take brings you closer to fluency. There will be days when learning feels tough, but don't give up. Keep reminding yourself of why you started and the benefits of speaking English fluently. Remember, learning English fluently is a marathon, not a sprint. Be patient, stay dedicated, and enjoy the process. Every step you take brings you closer to your goal of speaking English confidently and fluently. That's all for today on Tips and Tricks with SEP2. Thank you for listening. Keep practicing, and you'll unlock a new world of opportunities. Until next time, goodbye.